Hello po, employed ako dati pero nag-change ako to voluntary. Nagbayad na rin ng 6-month contributions. Kaso nababother ako sa kailangan ng proof of income wala akong income kasi mag-aaral na ako. Please po pasagot. Well, ma'am, I believe your concern is about SSS, educational loan, right? Sige po, I will answer your question. And dagdagan po natin na additional information for our viewers. Specifically how to apply for an SSS educational loan online. So may 7 steps po tayo. Okay, unahin natin yung question mo. Then sa last part, yun na yung 7 steps. Alright, let's get started. Unang-una, disclaimer po, hindi tayo taga SSS. But ang video content natin is based from research sa website ni SSS. Alright? So ang step 1 talaga ng SSS Educational Loan is prepare necessary documents. The following documents are required for the loan application. Number 1, SSS ID or 2 valid IDs, one of which with a signature and a photo. Number 2, a complete SSS Educational Loan application form. Number 3, assessment or billing statement issued by the school. And number 4, proof of monthly income. Ito yung concern mo kanina, ma'am, no? So wala kang proof of income kasi po nag-stop ka na mag-work, right? Then nag-voluntary ka na, payment sa SSS, and I believe you are a full-time student. Pero ma'am, necessary po talaga na mag-provide ka ng proof of monthly income. So why not po ang parents po ninyo na may trabaho, diyan po kayo kukuha or mag-provide ng proof of monthly income. Or kung may siblings ka na may trabaho, of course may proof of monthly income din siya, right? So yan po ang i-attach natin or i-provide natin sa step 1. Kasi po importante yan. Why? Kasi yan po ang basis ni SSS kung makabayad talaga tayo sa ating SSS Education Loan. Kasi loan po ito. So, kailangan may payments kayo. Right? So, importante yan. So, you provide proof of monthly income. Alright, moving forward. For beneficiaries other than the member, additional documents are required. So, opo. Before we proceed to our next presentation, a konting favor po ma'am and sir, please subscribe my YouTube channel kasi once na subscribe ka, updated ka sa mga video content ko para sa mga students, employees who have concerns sa SSS, Pag-ibig, and GSIS and other problem po sa employment ninyo. And of course, yung mga bonuses and leave benefits ng employees. Alright? So ngayon, ang ano pa ang mga steps, no? If mag-apply tayo online sa SSS Educational Loan. Answer, yan po. Tapos tayo sa step 1, no? Step 2, visit the SSS website. So, yan po yung website nila, www.sss.gov.ph. So, importante mag-login ka sa account mo. If you do not have an account, you must register first. So, step 3, apply for educational loan. So, after logging in, so, hover your cursor over e-services and click on apply for educational loan. Step 4, complete the application form. So, importante yan, kompleto. So, fill out the required information on the form and ensure you have the school's details, kung anong school ka, course, and the amount required. Step 5, submit application. So, before ka mag-submit, so, importante, i-review mo muna yung information that you've inputted. Then, once satisfied, click submit. Step 6, print application form. So, after submission, print out the acknowledgement page for your reference. This will serve as proof that your application has been received. So, importante yan, no? meron kang hawak na printout. Step 7, follow up. So actually, SSS will notify you through email once your loan has been approved. So from time to time, check your email. You can also check the status of your loan application by logging into your account and clicking e-services, inquiry, or educational loan application status. Alright, hope na nasagot ko yung question mo, ma'am. So kung makaprovide ka na ng proof of income, apply na agad sa SSS Educational Loan. Good luck, God bless. Thank you, God bless, and two thumbs up.